Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm gonna be doing my dream unboxing haul. A bunch of items that I wanted to unbox for a really long time now, but I haven't had the chance to because they've just been sitting in my dorm collecting dust because I've been so busy. But now that I finally have time, I can't wait to unbox these with you guys. I'm so excited. Okay guys, I got the extensions out so I can move on with the rest of the video. Now let's unbox something I'm really been excited about. Winter's finally coming to an end. I got a bunch of like spring and summer dresses and some swimsuits that I cannot wait to try them out. Cold weather has been really kicking my butt lately. So these new cute clothes are going to remind me of that. Do not fret because the warm weather is coming and I can finally wear like cute spring dresses and all that kind of stuff. So I'm super excited for that. Now these are all from a brand called Reno's. Legit have the cutest summer dresses and all these cute pieces for the summer and for the spring, so you know your girl had to snack some. They got like dresses for teenagers and they also got dresses for like a really formal wear as well. In red summer dress. I cannot wait to try this out. This is like a pleated dress and it has like a bunch of like pleats in it, and it's also backless, so you kind of have to like snatch yourself up, but that is going to be so cute. Should we try it, you guys? Guys, this is the dress in all its glory. It is so cute. I love this wine color so much. For the back detail, guys, you could definitely see myself wearing this to like a tea party or like a brunch maybe, because this is giving like formal wear. My thoughts on this dress is that I love the color. This color really suits me and my color palette. I love the backless detail on it, and the length is really nice and flowy, so this one's definitely a keep for me. Let's go ahead and pick out like another dress and see what's inside. God, guys, this dress, do you see this detailing? The rose and this red color is so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I would wear this to my prom dress because I am in love with this dress. It is so cute. It has got the perfect wine red color, and I love the detailing on it, on the cups and everything, like the little flowers and everything. Like, I literally feel like a princess in this. I feel like I should be going to like somebody's prom right now. Oh my gosh, guys, look how beautiful this dress is. It is the perfect wine red color. Not to mention the pleats are so beautiful. It honestly snatches you up like no other, and it gives such a flattering shape. Like, it flares out. I love it when a dress flares out because I feel like it gives you more of a shape and defines your hourglass more, and this dress definitely does that. Like, I don't even have an occasion to wear this out for, and that is what makes me sad, because I would love to wear this out somewhere and take cute pictures. Guys, thoughts on this dress is that I actually am in love with it. Yeah, this is definitely my favorite dress so far, but luckily for you guys, we got two more to get through. So cute. This is like a summer plaid dress, and it's in this really nice blue color. Simple but elegant, and I feel like I would wear this to like a picnic or something. It's like form-fitting, but it's also loose enough where you can definitely eat your fill. Guys, you know how I said the last dress felt like I was going on a picnic? This one for sure feels like I am going on a out. The pleats are super duper nice and well done, and it flares out and it snatches you right up. Strawberry shortcake character right now. Like, this is so cute. I love the plaid detailing and the red lace. I feel like I would wear this to a pool party, and I would wear this to a picnic. Like, this is super cute. Like, I love the pleats. Like, guys, you don't understand. Like, I love it when a dress like snatches you up and then flares out. I hate it when a dress goes straight down. I feel like they really understand like how to make dresses for like teenage bodies and how to make dresses that really complement your body shape. All the dresses I'm gonna try on for this video, so if you guys could do a ranking down below, that would be really awesome, because I really want to see you guys' opinions as well. The spring to come, so I can actually have an excuse to wear these out, because it's way too cold to wear these out now. Guys, I've got I think two more, and I've got some like swimsuits that I want to show you guys, definitely because summer is coming and we need to get our summer bought in, and your girl's not been doing that, but either way, summer is coming, so I've got some swimsuits that I want to try out with you guys. First up is this brown one, which kind of matches my nails. Like, the material feels really thick as well, padding, and it has like built-in padding for like the cups and stuff, so you definitely don't have to worry. Super breezy and breathable. I can't show the bottom because I don't want to get like guideline violated. It's just like a regular bikini bottom, so there really isn't much to see. The real star is definitely this top right here. I do have this red bikini that I want to show you guys. This is a one piece, so I can probably show you guys this and then wear shorts underneath. Really nice material. and it's like this knitted material, so I think that's really nice as well. This one way more like, it's definitely a thicker material and it feels kind of knitted too, and the real star is honestly the back. They're all the items from them and I loved every single one of them. Final item of my unboxing video, I've saved the best for last. Flowerknows was so kind to send me a package of their stuff that I'm gonna unbox with you guys. Collection is in here, but I'm really excited because every collection is honestly so beautiful. It's bulging out, so that's how you know there's a bunch of stuff in here. Whoa, this is like one huge box. This might be their new bunny collection. I saw many videos of it on TikTok and I was so intrigued. Do you guys see this engraving and packaging on here? So beautiful. Let's look, guys. Oh my god, yeah, this is definitely their new bunny collection. Look, first up we got these adorable little hair clips. But look how cute that is. Like, oh my gosh, I feel like a magical princess. Oh, a keychain. If you're familiar with their keychain game, they always love doing these little keychains. Keychain definitely attaches to something else, and we're gonna find that out later. Okay, look at this huge box of makeup items. This is the bunny garden collection that you're seeing here, and this one is an embossed blush. Oh my gosh, I love blushes. This is the bunny garden collection, and look at this packaging. It is beautiful, you guys. Do you guys see that in color? And the embossing on that is beautiful. Like, this embossing is beautiful. Pigment really shows and really nice. Can't really see on camera, but there's definitely like shimmers inside. Look how pretty that is. Okay, the light definitely helps reflect it, but there are shimmers inside. This is a lip balm 02 creamy white. This is definitely something that you attach to be attached to here because it has a little hook on here and it kind of resembles like a clock. With Alice in Wonderland, because there's a clock on here, a white lip balm that you can use to moisturize on the go. It's so cute and compact. You can definitely take it wherever you want. It's meant to attach it to this, and if you attach it to your bag, you can definitely have it like for on the go and stuff. The Cloud lip cream in B01 has a little hook, so maybe you can pick and choose which ones you want to like attach to the keychain. It's like a warm tone, like wheat color, more on the orangey side than what I'm used to. You to see what's inside this. This is like a purple bunny, and this says this is a gel eyeliner. This is a double edge. I've never seen a gel eyeliner with like an angled tip. Usually they're just like flat. Open the side. Gosh, it's a brush that you can probably blend out, and definitely for like a natural wing. And now I'm gonna use this brush side and give it like a swipe, kind of like wing out the other edge so that it kind of gives a really nice flare. Another purple item is it's an angled blush brush. Definitely a little bit ragged and it's definitely meeting its end. Like, as you can see, the tips are fraying out and stuff, so I'm really excited to have a cute new blush brush. Very princess while I'm doing my makeup. One, look how cute this is. Exact packaging, but this one's purple. Cream is definitely more my type of color. It's really similar to what I have on right now, so I feel like I'll really like it. So maybe the different packagings mean different things. Like, maybe this means more towards cool tones, or neutral is more towards like warm tones items. And these ones are definitely my favorite just because pink is my favorite color makeup palette, and this one is 03 Ruby Berry. So look how pretty this is. Really reminiscent of like a playing card, so I definitely think they took some inspiration from like Alice in Wonderland. Whoa, those are amazing. They kind of smell like chocolate too. I can see these two are mattes. Really intrigued by these shimmer colors because they're not your usual shimmers where they have like glitter bits inside. A pearlescent. It's not like your usual shimmer. It's definitely like an iridescent or pearlescent kind of shade. And so these pinks are so my vibe. Another blush. Let's see what color this is. You can see that the colors are actually reversed on these two. This one has like a blue outer ring to it, and I think that is so cute. This one is definitely more of like an orangey coral color, and this one is definitely more of like a more reddish color. And blushes are definitely my favorite things from Flowerknows collection so far. They've been really upping their makeup game, and I have a lot of their items in my everyday makeup look. All of you can guess what's inside because they always come out with a new hand mirror. This is so cute. This one is the Strawberry Shortcake collection, and I actually do use it every day. If you're a coquette girly, this is your dream. Do you guys see that lacing detail on that? That is beautiful. This is it for all of my hauls. I am in love with this Flowerknows collection. I actually do have a code, so if you guys are willing to use it, definitely use my code to check out their new Flowerknows collection. If you guys like this video, definitely leave a like and subscribe and comment down below which one was your favorite item and which one was your favorite part. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!